can also affect what you can put in it. Do your research beforehand. Really deep diving into your project is very important. You also need to consider your wants versus needs. You may be here because you were looking for a bus, but you're not really sure which one to go for. So here are 3 things I wish I knew before I bought my bus. The main thing to think about when you're buying a van or bus is what you want inside, because your length or width can also affect what you can put in it. Like for example, we wanted a little bit larger but not too large because we wanted a shower and a full kitchen. It can also affect the feel of it, making it feel too bulky or also too small. Now you also have to think about the different engines like diesel. The reliability of certain engines are better or worse, and you also have to think about gas mileage. Now some buses or vans may be a good deal, but it's harder to get parts for them or the reliability isn't very good, so you may want to do research on that specific one. Now the second thing I wish I knew before buying a bus was having a good plan. That includes research and figuring out what layout you would like and what you need versus what you want. Whether or not you want it for a weekend warrior or you want to go in there full time and go long distances. Now just keep in mind that your plan will change as you're building your bus or van. As always, make sure you do plenty of research before you jump right in, because that's when things can go wrong. And lastly is knowing how much work is needed. And going back to it, figuring out your research and really deep diving into your project is very important. And the more research you do, the smoother it will go and the better it will turn out. And always plan for it to go longer than expected, because most likely it will. And those are the 3 things that I wish I knew before buying a bus or a van to convert. Number 1, knowing your options. Number 2, having a really good plan. And number 3, doing the research to figure out how much work is needed. Now definitely check out the videos down below, so I will see you in the next video.